Hello and Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Once again, welcome back to the world of home decor. Here we discuss really unique and beautiful ideas for home decor related to every part of your home and every occasion. There's always an idea, an option available. Today, I'm going to introduce you a breeze of elegance and innovation, the ceiling fan designs. In a world where style meets functionality, as I say, ceiling fan designs bring you a stunning collection of these beautiful ceiling fans that elevate the aesthetic appeal of your space. From sleek and modern to classic and ornate, these designs cater to every taste and interior decor. Ceiling fan is more than just a cooling device. It is a statement piece that adds personality to your home. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, each ceiling fan design creates a masterpiece blending form and function effortlessly. Ceiling fan must not only be visually captivating but also engineered for silent operations, so you can enjoy a peaceful environment without sacrificing your comfort. Whether it is a cozy living room, a luxurious bedroom, or sophisticated living space like formal living room, the ceiling fan creates the perfect ambience, all while keeping you cool and comfortable. There are some advanced and smart controlled options as well. You can effortlessly adjust fan speed, lighting, and even personalize schedules, all at the touch of a button. Ceiling fan designs, which I have showed you in this video, are redefining elegance and comfort, one fan at a time. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Do let me know in the comment section which design was your favorite one and which ceiling design you want to have in your home right now. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy decorating and take good care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye from my side.